Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to easily create and share an iCloud calendar with another user. Creating and sharing calendars inside of the Calendar app is super easy and useful for when you need to keep track of important dates and events between multiple people. To do this, open the Calendar app. We'll start by creating a new calendar. Tap Calendars at the bottom, add Calendar on the bottom left, and then add Calendar. Enter a name and then change the color code if you'd like. When you're ready, hit Done on the top right. Next, find the new calendar you just created inside of the Calendars list and tap the info icon on the far right. Now inside of here, choose Add Person. You can then enter the other user or users that you want to share with, and when you're done, hit Add. It will then send a request to the other user where they can then approve and join your calendar. You can also tap the user's name here and inside give user rights like allowing or not editing capabilities. You can resend the invitation, or you can stop sharing the calendar altogether. And that's how you create and share iCloud calendars with other users. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.